Gentlemen, if you've ever found yourself getting up multiple times at night, feeling that urgent need to go, or just not feeling completely empty, you know how frustrating prostate problems can be. For a long time, the only answer seemed to be prescription medications with their potential side effects, or even surgery. But what if I told you that one of the simplest, most natural solutions for supporting your prostate health could already be sitting in your kitchen cupboard, and that eating just one single type of nut every day can play a significant role in reducing the enlargement of your prostate and calming those frustrating symptoms? Nature provides us with a whole toolkit for wellness and for prostate health that goes beyond just herbs and supplements. It includes delicious everyday foods. I know it can sound too good to be true, but these natural alternatives are backed by solid science and can offer genuine relief from the discomfort and help you maintain control. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 specific nuts that have remarkable properties for prostate support. Each one brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, and I'll tell you right up front, one of these 5 is so powerful and has such surprising specific benefits for your prostate that I consider it the #1 nut you should be eating daily. I'll reveal which one it is and exactly why it's so effective later in the video. But before we dive into those 5 amazing nuts, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me where you're watching from, and make sure you're subscribed. I share practical men's health strategies like this every single week. Now, let's get started. Before we get to those 5 amazing nuts, let's take a very quick moment to talk about the prostate itself. Understanding what this gland is and what it does makes it so much clearer how the right foods can genuinely help. Think of this as a quick friendly chat before we get to the good stuff. The prostate is a small muscular gland that only men have. You can find it sitting just below your bladder, and it actually wraps around the tube that carries urine out of your body, which is called the urethra. For a good visual, think of it as being about the size and shape of a walnut. Its primary job is to produce a fluid that mixes with sperm from the testicles to create semen. This fluid is crucial for protecting the sperm and helping with reproduction. For a great many men, it's very common for this walnut-sized gland to gradually become larger over time. We call this condition benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH for short. Now, benign is the key word here. It means this enlargement is not cancerous. But just because it's not cancer doesn't mean it can't cause real problems. As the prostate grows, it can squeeze that urethra tube like gently pinching a garden hose. This is what leads to those all too familiar symptoms so many of my patients come to me about. You might feel a constant urgent need to urinate even if you just went. You might have a weak stream, feel like your bladder isn't completely empty, or experience a little dribbling afterward. And one of the biggest complaints is nocturia. That's the medical term for having to get up 2, 3, or even more times a night to use the bathroom, which really disrupts your sleep and your energy levels. If this squeezing and irritation continues without any management, it can sometimes lead to more uncomfortable conditions like prostatitis, which is an inflammation or infection of the gland. The constant interruptions and discomfort can significantly impact your overall quality of life. The wonderful news is that you have a tremendous amount of power to influence your prostate health through simple daily lifestyle choices. Regular physical activity and smart nutritional decisions can make a world of difference in managing these symptoms and supporting your overall vitality. This is where nature's pantry, and specifically the nuts we're about to discuss, comes in as a delicious and effective strategy. These aren't just old wives' tales. They are food-based approaches supported by growing scientific research for reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and supporting urinary function. I'm Dr. Narita, a urologist with 12 years of experience helping men just like you navigate prostate health naturally. And today, I'm sharing the 5 nuts that can make a real difference. All right, let's begin our countdown with a truly wonderful and tasty nut. Number 5, the pistachio. Many of you probably know and love that slightly sweet, rich flavor and the fun of cracking open the shells. They're a fantastic snack any time of year. What makes pistachios so special for your prostate comes down to their unique nutritional profile. They are packed with powerful antioxidants, including compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin, which are like little bodyguards for your cells. They're also one of the best nut sources for an amino acid called arginine, and they contain beneficial plant sterols. So how does this all work inside your body? Those antioxidants work to reduce oxidative stress and calm inflammation, which are two key drivers of prostate enlargement. The arginine is truly crucial. Your body uses it to produce nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. This dramatically improves blood flow throughout your entire pelvic region. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients can reach the prostate tissue, helping it function better and reducing the pressure that causes those urinary symptoms. Furthermore, the plant sterols in pistachios can help modulate hormones linked to prostate growth and support healthy cholesterol levels. A specific clinical study had men eat a handful of pistachios every day for just 3 weeks. The results were significant. The men experienced measurable improvements in blood flow to the area and reported much better function scores. This is so important because the health of those blood vessels is intimately connected to both urinary and overall wellness. By supporting one, you directly support the other. Beyond the prostate-specific benefits, pistachios offer broader advantages that create a positive cycle for your health. Their good fiber and healthy fat content help you feel full and maintain a healthy weight, which is vital since carrying extra weight can put more pressure on your bladder and worsen BPH symptoms. The potassium in them also supports healthy blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. This combination of effects, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting a healthy weight, makes pistachios a triple threat for prostate and male health. They act on the root causes of enlargement and discomfort. So, incorporating pistachios into your routine is a delicious strategy that benefits your prostate, your heart, and your vitality all at once. They are a simple, effective food that truly delivers. I'm curious, are pistachios a regular part of your diet? Let me know in the comments what your favorite way to enjoy them is. Number 4, the almond. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have the incredibly versatile and powerful almond. This is a nut that many cultures have long valued for its health-giving properties, and for very good reason. It's a true cornerstone of a healthy diet, especially for men focusing on their urinary and prostate wellness. Almonds act as a formidable ally for your entire urinary system. Their regular consumption can play a supportive role in maintaining prostate health, promoting kidney function, and contributing to overall urinary tract well-being. The magic lies in their incredible nutrient profile. Just a single 1-ounce serving, which is about a small handful, delivers a massive 48% of your daily value of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. They are also an excellent source of fiber, healthy mono and saturated fats, and key minerals like magnesium. This specific combination of nutrients works in harmony inside your body to benefit your prostate. The high levels of vitamin E and other antioxidants found primarily in the almond's brown skin work to neutralize free radicals. These are the unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to prostate cells, which is a key driver of inflammation and enlargement. By calming the cellular stress, almonds help create an environment where the prostate is less likely to become irritated and enlarged. The healthy fats and magnesium support healthy hormone balance, including testosterone, and contribute to improved blood flow throughout the body. A truly fascinating benefit of almonds involves your gut health, which might seem unrelated, but is absolutely connected. Almonds are a prebiotic food. This means the fiber and polyphenols in them serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. When you have a healthy gut microbiome, your body is better at managing inflammation systemically and efficiently processing and eliminating waste. This internal housekeeping reduces the overall toxic load on your body, which in turn can ease the burden on your prostate and urinary system, leading to fewer symptoms and better function. You can enjoy them raw as a simple snack, Add sliced almonds to your oatmeal or yogurt, use almond flour in baking, or even try a spoonful of almond butter. This versatility makes it simple to get your daily serving. So why not find a way to add a few more almonds to your diet each day? Your prostate will thank you for it. Number 3, the pecan. Now let's move to number 3 on our list, a true superstar for men's health, the pecan. I find many of my patients love its rich, buttery flavor, and it's incredibly satisfying. But beyond its taste, the pecan is a nutritional powerhouse with some very specific benefits for your prostate and overall vitality. What truly sets pecans apart is their unique fat composition. A remarkable 90% of the fats in pecans are the healthy, unsaturated kind. They are one of the very best food sources of a specific form of vitamin E called gamma tocopherol, which is a potent antioxidant. They also contain concentrated plant sterols like beta-sitosterol, along with important minerals like zinc and magnesium. This specific nutrient profile gives pecans a direct and powerful role in prostate protection. The gamma tocopherol form of vitamin E is particularly effective at neutralizing the specific types of free radicals that can damage prostate.